welcome back to my channel. I am laicharris, and today I'm going to be doing a go-to everyday like makeup and hair look. I was asked if I could show how I did my makeup in my last storytime video and my hair, so if you're interested on seeing how I got this look, please stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with my hair. Basically, I mean, it's already pretty straight, but I'm just going to do my hair like I did in the video. So it was in a middle part, so I'm just going to take my closure and, you know, make it a middle part, which we're pretty much almost there. So I'm just going to part this, you know, put it in the middle part, flatten this with the hot comb, and I'm just gonna go over it with a flat iron just to make it bone straight. And yeah, so that's gonna be the hair part really quick. Okay guys, now that my hair is setting and all flat and silky now, I'm just going to get into my makeup. So I always do my eyebrows off camera, but I guess I'll do them on camera today, but it still will be sped up because I mean, I do have an eyebrow tutorial. Nothing has changed too much. Actually, some things have changed. So on like my go-to everyday type of thing, I will do my eyebrows a little bit differently because it is quicker to do it this way. I usually just brush my eyebrows up, and then after I brush my eyebrows up, I'll just carve them out with my concealer, well, underneath, and just like trace that out, and that kind of like gives me a better guideline to just fill in my eyebrows. Now that I have this carved out here, I'm just going to start filling in my eyebrows. So you can see the shape of my eyebrows here. So I'm just gonna start in the front here. Well, not in the front, but like kind of like in the middle front, but not all the way at the beginning. I don't know how to explain that, but. And I'm just basically filling in any sparse areas. So as you guys can see, like my top towards like the arch up here is like kind of sparse, and then I just fill it in all in here. I just basically fill in the top because I don't want it to be too blocky in the front, and then we're just going to brush it out a little bit. And then the brow is done. It's just that simple, that quick, that easy. And I'm just going to blend this out under here because the guide is done now and we just want it to look clean. And that is my brow. So I just basically do the same thing to the other side, and then I'll go on top either with foundation that is my same color, or I'll go on top with like a Q-tip and just clean it up. Just depends on the day. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish the other eyebrow. Okay, and my brows are done. I do like doing this method a little bit better, especially when my eyebrows are growing out, just so I don't make them super thick. I don't know if you guys could tell, but me outlining and carving out my eyebrow underneath before putting on the eyebrow pencil definitely helped me see my actual brow, and I just basically just filled in the sparse areas instead of like creating a whole brow and then just carving them out. It just, to me, this is easier. It's definitely like beginner friendly too. to me. Okay, so for that everyday look, or like my go-to look, I want to look like I have on makeup and like I am looking presentable, but I don't want to do too much. So literally I just put a little bit of like brownish skin tone color on my eyelids, and then black mascara and lashes, and then I just do my face. So today I'm just going to be using for my eyes, I'm just going to be using my Fenty bronzer in the color Mocha Mami, and just taking a fluffy brush and applying that all over my lid. I'm going to be going on with my eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm going to be using is this NYX Epic eyeliner. Actually, no, I'm tripping. I have to put my lashes on first since I'm using a lash liner glue, and my lash liner glue is black. So I have to line my lashes first because they want you to do it on like a clear, clean surface. So I'm actually using my lash liner glue first, and we're gonna put our lashes on and then just kind of like fill in any spots with my black liner. Okay, so my lashes are on, my eyes are done. Really simple, literally just my little brown skin tone color. Got my eyeliner on, and now we're just seriously gonna get into the face now. I'm going to prime my face with my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I'm not gonna add any color correct on today because I feel like my skin is getting a lot better. I've been really working on it and I don't really need too much. Like, we're getting there. I'm just gonna apply some translucent powder on top of my primer just to give it, you know, a more matte base because I'm an oily girl and I be seeing Jackie Aina do this, so I'm gonna do it too. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation in the color 420 and just applying this all over my face. I'm gonna use a brush first and then use a beauty blender to just, you know, blend it out all together. Okay, now that my foundation is on, I'm going to go into my concealer. I'm going to use my favorite, my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C13. Just going to apply that to my under eyes, bridge of my nose, above my mouth, chin. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my contour. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Espresso. Okay, so now that everything is all blended out, I'm going to get into my powders. I am going to be using my Beauty Bakery Flower in the color Plantain and just apply this on all my areas that I highlighted. And then I'm going to go in with my bronzer by Fenty. The color is Mocha Mami. And then I'm just going to take some of my Airspun translucent powder and just put this on my nose because my nose gets really oily, like OD. So I'm just putting this in like my T-zone really. And now I'm just going to wipe off this excess powder. Now I'm going to go into my blush. I'm going to be using the Saharan blush palette, and I'm going to take this orange blush here and apply this to my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my eyes. I think I want to add a little bit more of a wing because I got lost in these lashes. So actually, before I do my eyes, I'm just going to spray my face with a Make It Last Matte Spray by Milani. Okay, so this is also a signature of mine. What I really like to do, I like to put like a highlight, like gold shimmer color in my inner tear duct. I mean, I don't really have a specific shade that I like to put in. Like, it literally changes every time. Like, sometimes I want to be more like pearl, light gold, and then I want to be like gold gold, and then I want to be like orange gold. Like, it's no specific way. I'm just going to take this color here in my Mirage palette by Color Story right here. This is Heat, and I'm just going to apply this to my inner corners. Now I'm going to add my mascara. I'm just going to add this Maybelline mascara. I really don't know what it's called, but you can just add any black mascara. Okay, now that my eyes are all done, just gonna finish it up with my lips. You already know I'm gonna do my nude lip because it's my favorite, and that's what I did in that video. I had a nude lip, so okay, so I actually think I'm going to add my mole back. I rarely do this. It's probably because I forget, but I'm just going to add my mole back on top of my lip. Okay guys, so it's the finished look right here. Well, it's not the finished look, but my makeup is done. I'm just going to go change and, you know, fix my hair up a little bit. Like, you know, just finish up the look. But yeah, this is the finished makeup look here. I mean, I hope it still looks the same as it did in that video, but like, this is literally what I do every time if I want to like get cute and, you know. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get dressed and then come back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is a finished look here. I have on this bodysuit that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I did a haul on it. I'll link that in the cards. But yeah, this is the finished look here. Pretty simple. I mean, it's a look, but it's not like too crazy. Like, literally the eyebrows, the eyes, and lashes was so quick. I didn't have to do any shadow or anything. So simple little beat. It's my everyday go-to look. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, make sure that you like this video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.